we are electrifying and using electrification more in our societies, we're using more and more lithium-ion batteries. We use them in electric vehicles and for energy storage for home use, for example. But these batteries, while having a lot of energy and being very energy dense, also pose a safety issue. We work in understanding the thermal behavior around batteries to prevent unwanted failures, fires from batteries, as well as to optimize them. If you can optimize these batteries, you can increase their energy density and increase their lifetime duration.
I'm a big fan of Dr. Restuccia's work on lithium batteries. His paper in the Journal of Fire Technology on self-ignition is particularly insightful. I also value his input into our joint project on thermal propagation in larger lithium-ion batteries very highly indeed, and I'm very much looking forward to our continuing collaboration, as I've learned a very great deal from Francesco.
As we use more and more lithium-ion batteries, we have to worry about what happens in case of their failure. Batteries can create lots of toxic gases and can create very large fire flares and affect everything around it. And so we work in understanding how these batteries ignite, how to suppress such fires, and how to avoid their thermal propagation. So one battery igniting the battery next to it. Often in an electric vehicle, you have tens of thousands of these cells. So we work in understanding the thermal behavior around these to prevent these fires. As we work towards making batteries more and more energy dense, thermal behavior of the batteries becomes key. So some of our work is in understanding the thermal unsteadiness between batteries during cycling, during use, during charging, so that we can optimize them. If we can optimize these battery cycles so that we have uniform behavior, the batteries will last longer, and so we can have more energy dense systems, and so a longer lifetime around our batteries.